The first time I tried to use this, my hair was not wet, so I just used some of the attachment sets on it. So I just got out of the shower. I am gonna try the blow dryer. Again, I love how little it is compared to their normal big bulky blow dryer. Again, super easy to change your attachments. You just pull this down to unlock it. You can see how the tabs go up and down. Pop it in, lock it back up. You can see how fast it's drying my hair. It's been about 30 seconds. Switch it up and put this attachment on it just to see how straight I can get it so I don't have to straighten it. This brush attachment actually works very well. You can see a side-by-side comparison. I'm not gonna have to straighten my hair today. Usually it takes me about 25-30 minutes to blow dry my hair just because it's so long. Start to finish with this, including swapping out for this brush attachment to try to straighten my hair as much as possible. And I'm super happy with how it turned out. Took me about 10 minutes and I don't have to straighten it. Absolutely love this. They are currently on sale right now, so this is the perfect time to run and grab one and upgrade your blow dryer.